I'm going to give my first part of the contribution in Welsh and then in English. Dwi eisiau siarad am y stori, y myths, y chwedla am y toriadau. I fod mor cywir, y celwyddau amdanynt. Y cynta, rydyn ni gyd yn hyn gyda'n gilydd. Wel, da ni ddim. Nid y cwmnïau sy'n symud ei elw tramor i osgoi tref, a nid rai o'r 23 milioner yn y cabinet sy'n cadw ei harian mewn ymdiriolaethau i osgoi tref. Na, a pobl sy'n talu am yr gyfwng yw pobl cyffredin yn arbennig y tlawd. Yr ail celwydd, a mae hwn yn hoff celwydd, gan Plaid Lafur. Mae toriadau yn rhy dwfn, yn rhy cyflym. Ond does dim angen i cael y toriadau o gwbl. Mae pobl wedi dau dydyn, mae digon o arian. A be maen nhw'n sôn am wneud yw torri hawliau bobl. Hawliau i gwasanaethau o safon ac ansawdd bywyd digonol. Y trydydd celwydd, gan rai y sylwebwyr yn arbennig yn y wasg liberal, fydd y toriadau dwfn ddim yn achub yr economi, byddwn yn achosi dirwasgiad arall. Mae angen y Tories a Lib Dems i newid ei meddwl oherwydd mae wedi wneud camgymeriad. Wel, dydyn nhw ddim. Mae Tories a Lib Dems yn gwybod yn union be maen nhw'n gwneud. Maen nhw eisiau dinistri o'r sector cyhoeddus. Maen nhw eisiau dinistri o'r endebau. Maen nhw eisiau creu pwll o pobl tlawd sy'n barod i derbyn swyddi a cyflog sweatshops. A'r y ffordd orau i wneud hynny yw torri gymaint a phosib mor sydyn a phosib. Dyma celwydd arall, un o'r prif celwyddau. Y gair a hun, toriadau, tro o tro yn y wasg ar BBC. Nid toriadau yw'r problem, y deficit yw'r problem, ac os dyn ni'n edrych ar y deficit, nad ydy'n uchel yn hanesyddol, a nad ydy'n uchel o chymharu gyda gwledydd eraill. A dyma celwydd ola. Nad ydyn ni'n gallu ffoddio ei gwasanaethau a thorri deficit ar yr un pryd. Felly rhaid iddi torri nhw i'r asgwrn. Wel, dyma'r newyddion. Mae Prydain yn nofio mewn arian. Mae mwy o milioners nag erioed gyda mwy o siar o cyfoeth o wlad. Felly, un ffordd i taclo deficit yw trethi cyfoethog a'r cwmnïau mawr tan maen nhw'n talu yn ôl a holl arian maen nhw wedi cael gafael anno dan y llywodraethau yn ystod y 30 mlynedd diwetha. We don't need to cut public services. The money is there to pay for them. It's all in the hands of the rich. As Michael Moore said in Madison, we're awash with wealth. Nearly 100 years ago, Rosa Luxemburg wrote a famous pamphlet where she posed two alternatives, socialism or barbarism. We face the same choice. Many of us here today will describe ourselves as socialists. We agree on certain things: fairness, equality, decent wages, the right to health and education. These are the things that the UK government want to trash. And what do we mean by barbarism? Here are two examples. The first, the barbarism of the market. 30 years of governments, Tory and Labour, have worshipped capitalism. They let the bankers and financiers off the leash and then watched as they brought many of the world's economies to their knees. And now they want us to pay for the mess they let happen and give our money to the people who created it. And here's the second. Is there a more striking example of barbarism than the vote in the House of Commons of 557 to 13 to bomb Libya? Since 1990, we've had a continuous round of wars, of sanctions, of bombings by every government. Don't let them fool you with the talk of the responsibility to protect. Where were they when the Palestinians in Gaza needed protecting? The responsibility to protect is also known as R2P. That doesn't sound too bad, does it? R2P. What it really stands for is the right to piss on the poor, the weak, on anyone who stands in the way of the West's access to oil, to minerals, or doesn't join in their worship of the market. How should we respond? We need to follow what Ellie is doing, what Cymdeithas yr Iaith are doing. We need to take direct action. We need to work together with trade unions and community groups to set up opposition in every town and village where services are threatened. And we still need to work with local and national politicians to build alliances. But we need to be very clear. The politicians will not stop these cuts. The only way to stop them is creating campaigns in all our communities and coming together to oppose the cuts. And even marches and rallies don't change things. We need to go back home and start campaigning hard. So we have our choice, and this is what it will come down to. We will either win this struggle and in the process help create decent, caring, just communities, or we will lose it and we will pay again and again and again for the barbarism of the bailouts and the bombs. Last year, the 92-year-old French resistant hero Stéphane Hessel published Indignez-vous, Time for Outrage. We need to follow the call. It's time to get very, very angry. Diolch yn fawr iawn.